Okay, this is your kitchen. Yeah, come on in. I'm making a video for Joanne. Yeah. And you're the star. Let me put you in there.
Oh, wait, this is the new house.
Man, they're doing a lot of stuff, huh?
I know, I can see. When I saw the doors were gone, I thought, this is it. They can take out all the bricks out for next.
No wonder this thing will be ready in May.
I know. Unbelievable. I didn't, when the fire first hit, I just thought, oh, that back bedroom is just limited to that area.
I told you, open the windows and air it out. Wasn't that funny? Oh my God. Office. I'm going to Hang's room now. Oh, no light, so it's going to be pretty dark. Can't see anything, so let's go to the master bedroom now. Gotta check on phone. Ceiling. Well, finally going to get some good insulation. Hopefully my heating bill will go down.
Yeah, I like the
And my AC.
The closet's going to be much better than before.
Yeah, I think John will like that more.
Yeah.
She's going to put her 500 pairs of shoes in there.
Just the shoe closet.
Yeah. Oops. No light in the video. See, a deep dark hole.
Yeah.
Nothing else. They're gonna give me a Japanese tub.
Oh.
Spa with jets.
Jets, and there's stepways to get into it.
Yeah.
You don't have to jump in. This was all